Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we will examine the specific factors that determine the selling price of a home. Generally speaking, the selling price is the total amount received for a home. It includes money, notes, mortgages, and any other debts assumed by the buyer as part of the sale. The selling price also includes the fair market value of any other property or services received by the seller in exchange for the home. The selling price of a home does not include any amounts received by the seller for personal property sold with the home. Personal property is defined as any property that is not a permanent part of the home, including appliances, draperies, rugs, furniture, and lawn equipment. Gains from the sale of personal property must be reported as income, but not as part of the sale of a home. In some cases, an individual has to sell his or her main home because of a job transfer, and the individual's employer pays for selling expenses or loss on the sale of the home. In circumstances such as these, the seller of the home should not include such payments from the employer as part of the selling price. The employer will include those payments as wages on the individual's Form W-2.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.